New coating technology creates high-quality machining results. Introducing the PR17 series for small parts machining applications. Use PR1725 for a wide variety of workpieces. Integrate PR1725 into your tooling lineup to improve your productivity. The key is the newly developed MEGACOAT NANO PLUS. The special nano-laminated film delivers superior wear resistance and a great surface finish. In a 3D surface finish comparison, the PR1725 has a better surface finish than the competitor with little tearing. Due to popular demand, Kyocera is now introducing the PR1705 for free-cutting steel machining. As you can see, Kyocera achieved excellent cutting-edge condition and a great surface finish. You can clearly see the difference with tearing in the competitor's finish. Kyocera's new grades now cover a wider range of machining applications. In addition, the SKS Chipbreaker for finishing is now available. When combined with the PR17 series, the SKS Chipbreaker delivers fantastic performance. The PR17 series expansion provides a great solution for productivity improvement.